Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Algebra 2 here, lesson 7-2. We've got a little bit of review work here. Never supposed to forget what we've previously done. So what we're doing here is working with our exponent properties. Reminder that when you have, like we do here, this P times this P, and they're like multiplied, it's all multiplied here, so we can rearrange the order of the commutative property. You add these exponents. So 2/9 plus the -3/2 have to get a common. And then we're going to do the same thing with the q's. So we need to add those exponents. Those two look easy because they're going to do what to each other? -1/7 and a +1/7. Those are just like, see you later, and do each other. Q to the 0, remember anything to the 0 power is 1, 1 times the p. So now we just have to figure out when we add these exponents on p. 2/9 plus -3/2. I'm just going to go over here and add. How do we do that? 2/9, -3/2, common denominators. 2 and 9 don't have any factors in common, so we're going to have to go all the way to 18. And to change a 9 into an 18, we had to multiply that by a 2, right? So I'm multiplying by 2 here. So 2 over 2 is just 1. Anything multiplied by 1 doesn't change the value. It's the whole idea here. And then over here, multiply by a 9 over a 9 to get this common denominator of 18. -3 times the 9, -27. Add those two together. I am seeing a -23/18. Feels kind of gross. What does it say down here? Positive exponents only. So we've got a p to a -23/18. I will just remind you that a negative exponent, because if you did something like p to the 3rd over p to the 8th, when you go p to the 3 minus 8, you get a p to the -5 power. But what's that mean? Remember, you've got more in the denominator here than the numerator, so your answer is going to have more in the denominator. So negative exponent, put it in the denominator. If you ever have negative exponent in denominators, can go to the numerator. So we have 1 over p to the 23/18 exponent. Let's see what happens when we put that in. Fraction work there, exponent properties work there. 0 exponent means it equals a 1. Whole shebang there is a bunch of review. So we need a fraction. I needed a 1 in the numerator. And in the denominator, I needed something with an exponent. So that was p. And to a power of fraction negative, no, when I put in the denominator, it's a positive, 23 in the numerator, and in the denominator, an 18. Whew, that's a whole lot of. But careful, keep your train of thought. Don't mix up like I did on the last one, and you'll get it. If you need more practice, you can always click that, do a similar question in the bottom right. Practice, practice, practice. I really believe the more you do, the more you will remember. If you understood it the first time and did it all the way through, great. If you need more practice, keep after it. Look for more videos, exponent properties and fractions.